here we are. We found the cliffside where the bunker, what they call the bunker, is located. And it's this kind of squared off shape in the cliffside here where you can see the pelicans are flying. But there's not very much known about it, whether it was built during one of the world wars as an actual bunker site or if it's a natural formation on the side of the cliff. Apparently sometimes water comes out of it. It's one of the few waterfalls that actually goes directly into the sea. And but nobody really can enter from here. As you can see, it's pretty high up on the cliff, so we're not sure how it would have been used as a bunker if it were man-made or if it's just a natural formation. But in any case, it's really cool, and it's neat to be able to see it. And this view is just spectacular. In the distance, you can see the Playa Palma Coco that we're also going to try to go down and see. It's nice sandy beaches. Beautiful. And look out beyond this wonderful view. Time for a little bit of almuerzo. See what they got here at the Restaurante La Quebrada. It's a restaurant on a creek over here. Mofongo de camarones y lechuga ajillo, mofongo, and some chicken nuggets for Aiden. Buen provecho! Alright, so our next stop on our Quebradillas Pirate Coast tour is Playa Palma Coco. So and then we go down this long stretch of road and we'll go see what we find. Palma de Coco, and Quebradillas. This is a tremendous view. It's amazing. All these cliffs out here.
Harlequin.
Harlequin, ah.
Ay, Tere. Ay.
The
Just don't touch the
butterflies
bees.
and the bees.
¡Cuatro! Oh my god. Oh my god. Cuatro. Que casi no se ven. Es un milagro.
Wow. Aiden's working again. Cleaning up the path. We found it! Palma Coco Beach here in Quebradillas. We are still on the Pirate Coast. It's a very beautiful beach. We had to walk down some concrete stairs to find it. And now we're here. It's a nice long stretch of sandy beach. The thing is that the ocean is pretty wavy and the rocks are pretty big out there. So you want to be really careful if you go swimming out here. It might be better for surfing or some of the other sports. But it's a really cool little hidden coast. You can see that it's kind of like that almost caves all throughout this cliff. Most of these Quebradillas beaches are very, very cliffy, but once you come down to the beach, it's just as beautiful as any others. In the background here, you can see where we were at earlier, looking down at the bunker area. So from this side, we're going around the complete other side. I don't think the two beaches connect, so we can see it from that side.
Thank you.